Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, actually this is the cloud database. So whatever this data is there previously, the data we are fetching and displaying, right? Here I'm going to put the comment. That is the reason you are not able to see. Basically, we are going to get like this. 1 second. So this is the way we are going to get the data. Okay. So Firebase database level information we are fetching. But I need to show here neatly different kind of way. I need to show that one. That is the purpose what I'm doing. I'm going to put the comment here, and I need to use here table. I need to use here table. Table I'm going to using. This table is bootstrap class. I'm going to adding here table hyphen stripped. Okay, this table level two parts are there. T head I'm using. T head, within that tr I'm using, within that table definition I need to provide the id, the heading. Next, another kind of table definition level I need to specify the name. Next, another kind of td level I need to provide what? Course. Next, after td, table body is required. So table body I'm going to define. So if I'm going to specify, this is the way we are going to get. Okay. So next I need to provide here this one also, again decoration purpose. I need to provide here one more div I'm going to using. This div level class name equal to card I'm going to provide it. After that, another kind of div tag I'm using. This is what card class name I need to, here I need to use class name equal to card header. I'm going to provide it. Here we need to use h1 tag student list. Okay. Next, another kind of div tag I need to use. Here I need to provide what? Class name equal to card body. Card body. So this body level, this table I am going to maintain. Okay. So I need to cut this one here and go to within the body, so that we are going to see this is the way. Okay. Student list and all, and right and left margins also required. So that the reason this div level I need to provide the class name equal to container. Save it. Now go to here. Yes, left and right margins we are getting. Now I need to get the record information. So that is the purpose. Here how we are going to define, same kind of way. Here we need to define flower bracket I need to use, and I need to provide here what? Students dot map. I'm going to using map here, student comma index we are going to maintain. So these are all I need to put into the one bracket. Arrow type of function basically we are going to writing here. Okay. Here we need to use what? Return tr row we are going to using. Here I need to provide what? Key equal to index I'm going to providing. Here table definition. Uh, Here table headings basically. These are all headings, right? Not for the, these are all headings, table headings. Okay. I need to change body level table definition is there. Table header level th, right? So that's the reason I'm going to change in. Now here we need to provide the table definitions. What are the definition? Here I need to provide index value, that is the id. Okay. Next, another kind of one is I need to provide student dot name. Okay. Next, another kind of td. Another kind of td. Within that, student dot course. Save it. Go to the, yes, we are getting this one. Okay, zero record onwards, it is going to fetch it. Even if you want to provide this table top margin, this division, this called margin, top margin, if you want to specify style equal to, you need to provide margin top 30 pixels or 30 something you can give, so that you are going to get the space, right? So if I'm going to using multiple kind of records, it is showing that one. But here next step is, this is the previous session continuation. If you are not following the previous session, whatever I'm going to explaining, you cannot able to understand. Please go to the um, Friday session video. Okay. Otherwise, you cannot able to understand. If you are starting right now, you cannot able to understand. Follow that one continuation part only. Right now, my intention is, this is the way we are going to fetching the data. Right, we are using use effect and we are going to create in the array. We are using get student. We are already created Firebase.js level get student. That one we are using and set the data, and we are going to provide it here. Next, similarly, I need to create, right? How to create that one? One functionality I'm going to explaining. Based on that, you people try to work out update and delete kind of functionalities also. In the list level, in the list level, you can pass the uh, values, ID values. Based on that, you can delete or update that kind of functionalities you can perform. Okay, so right, we need to create a component. Is it required to give the steps, or else you people are aware already? Directly component level we are going to create in the functionality. Let's try without steps. Directly I'm going to create in the component. Okay, right, see what happened. See this one here, we are going to create student dot js. Okay, here how I'm going to using functional component. Here also I'm going to create in the functional component, or f a r f c e, functional component. We are going to using this one. With functional component level, I'm going to define here constant. I need to use id, comma, set id equal to use state. Use state I'm going to define. Similarly, constant name, comma, set name. Here you need to provide use state. Next, constant. Here I need to define course, comma, set course. What I'm doing here, I'm creating the one form. Okay, use state. This is the way I'm creating one ID, name, course kind of properties. Okay, here I need to define class name equal to container I'm going to providing. This is the decoration part. This div tag is basically what? This div tag is basically uh, container. Here I need to define class name equal to card. Next, I need to define here this card level header part is there, right? So class name equal to card header. This card header level h1 tag I'm using, and I need to provide create student. Okay, create student. For time being, whether it is working fine or not checking purpose, Here I need to call that one. What is that one? Create a student component. See what happened. See, it is going to get the heading. Now go to the create student. Here I need to generate called body level form. Div tag I am using. Here I need to provide the class name equal to called body. Okay, called body. Here I need to define one div tag. This class name equal to MBI-3 I'm using. Here I need to use a label enter student ID. Okay, that is the label. Here also bootstrap class I'm using, class name equal to form label. Next, I need to provide what? Input box. Here input box I need to define here class name equal to form hyphen control. Readability purpose I'm going to move next line. Here name equal to ID I'm going to provide it. Okay, and after that value equal to ID only I'm going to specify. Here next on change event we are going to providing what? On change event we are going to providing this on change event. How to provide on change event? We need to provide, right? Whenever I'm going to changing I need to set the value to the my set ID level. I need to pass that one. So here we are going to providing event. We are going to using set ID. How to set that one? E dot target dot value. So this is the way we are going to providing on change event. Okay. So this is the way we are going to provide the on change event. So whenever I'm going to specify like this is the way we are going to get this one. When input box we are getting. Similarly, I want to name and course also. So that is the purpose. I need to take this one, copy and paste here. Here I need to change name. Here also I need to change name. Here I need to change set name. So here I need to provide enter student name. So perfect. So enter student ID, enter student name is done. Next one is what? Course. Okay. So what I need to do? I need to copy, paste this division, copy and paste here. Here I need to change enter student course. Enter student course. Here I need to specify course. Here I need to specify course. This is what? Set course. So once you are done, set course is done. These modifications are done, right? So now we are getting all the fields. Now button is required, right? So go to here and provide one button directly. I'm using button. This button is create. Okay. Here bootstrap class I need to use class name equal to btn space btn hyphen primary. Save it. See, we are going to get like this. So now whenever I'm going to click, I need to call create student kind of function. So that is an on click event we are using and providing what? Create student. Okay, create student kind of function I need to call. So here arrow type of function we are going to using, we are going to define here this function name. I need to define where above written statement I need to define here constant create student equal to arrow type of function we are going to define. Okay, first of all, we are going to checking whether it is invoking or not. Alert we are using, calling, create, student, like that. We are going to provide the message. Now go to here. So we are getting the error where here is I'm going to providing one more bracket is missing. One more bracket is missing. Line number expected an assignment or call, and instead of this one line number 38, go to the line number 38. Here only we are getting that one. So we need to understand previously how I'm going to provide functions. Same kind of we need to provide. If you are confusing this one, remove this arrow function. Just you need to define the function name only. Okay, function name only you need to specify that one. Okay, this function is invoking or not, we need to check. If I'm going to click this one, calling this one, right? If I'm going to click, it is going to call it. Right, now here important thing is this function, whatever the function is there, this function level, that the field values are getting or not, we need to check. That means ID value, whatever you are going to enter, that values are getting or not, checking purpose. Okay, so next I need to provide here what? Course. Okay, these values, it is getting or not, we need to check. Go to here, I need to provide the some value, here some name, some course, and click create. Yes, what is this one? To Chandra reacts. That means form level values are coming here perfectly. This information I need to send to the Firebase. How we are done here? We are using, we are going to using get student kind of function. Within that, we are going to get the data and we are going to set this data, right? Now go to here, Firebase config. Previously, we are going to using, right? Here, what is using? Create student, right? This one I need to use. How I'm using student list level use effect I'm using, I'm going to provide that directly, right? Here import statement is there. This is the one. So here I need to use import statement same kind of way here. Same kind of way I need to specify here. Put the semicolon here. Instead of using get students, I need to use what? Create student. This one I need to call. This is the method is already written firebase.js level. This one. Okay. So this method I'm going to using and I'm going to pass the student object. So that is the purpose I'm imported this one. After that, here I need to call create student. Here I need to pass the object. What is the object? ID colon ID comma name colon name comma course colon course. This is the object. This object is nothing but a student object. Okay. This object is nothing but a student object. Once it is done, I need to give message alert. For the alert, successfully student record inserted. This is the message I want to display. After that, I need to make it as a set ID is I need to set as ID is I need to use empty. Okay, I need to set the empty. So that is the purpose I'm using this one. Set a name after inserting that field input boxes. I need to make it as empty. Okay, that is the purpose. Set course. So put the semicolon. Save it. Now go to here. We are going to refresh again. So now this is the way it is available. Now I'm going to pass in here 2, and I need to provide here PQR, and I need to provide here some string and click create. So data is getting okay, fine. Calling create student data is that method is, see what happened. Same method it is repeating. So that one only it is repeating. Same thing is repeating here. So even here we are going to checking what happened. Here only one record only. That means it is not hitting the data. Here, what is the problem? Event prevention is not happening. So that means here event prevention is not happen. So that is the reason I need to put here what? Arrow type of function. Okay. So if I'm going to do like this, okay, here I'm going to provide in the flower bracket open, and I need to open the one more flower bracket. This is the way I'm going to provide it. Wait. Here I need to refresh. Here expected some kind of assignment kind of function it is expected here. So array type of function only I'm going to provide it, right? So I'm not passing anything. Simply use this one. What happens? See that function name. Okay.